Minister Dr. Minisita Musenero abandize kurambura factory y'omwani eya Inspire Africa Coffee Hub muri Ntungamo okureba emirimo yo kumarira okujombeka huyahika. Minister Musenero nagira ngo hacuruho ubwetago obwa government okongera kushajika factory egi omuhoro yo kongera umutinda hamwani.
Some buildings are not yet complete to the brand which they are going to be, but now many people can guess the vision. Many people can form out the vision. So this is definitely going to be a leading place. Uganda has not been known to be a place of value addition. So we need to give that introduction of Uganda as a place of value addition to coffee. We cannot introduce it as business as usual.
Abanya-Uganda mwena nimbahiga murebeke nkwati ubwo bwire ubwo kwingo mwana ubwo bwire ubwo kutunga kasente ubu Brazil omwana gwa yuguremere kandi umushwe ngo Uganda omu Africa nemwe erukukizayo okutransportingo okuhinga omwana mwingi na no mwinsi yona yine mu mahanga gatarenjere mushanju eryo mu mahanga gatarenjere mushanju agakorebeka nkwati nebo bine omwana mwingi mwene kutwa kuteka muvari ya addition nanga tukagira mu kitwatamu then Uganda neza uja kuba negenda jobisi.
Musenero ashabira abanya-Uganda okwejumbira mu kuhinga omwani kandi yatongoza no kwiruka kurije kubaha factory egi da Coffee Marathon ebiro 24 ebyo kwezi kwa gatanu umwaka w'2025.
Mwije mwena ombwinji muhagire ekintu cyanyu cy'omwani.
Ugandan Gazelle and Arua Gazelle. I would like to invite everyone, all the elite athletes and also Ugandans, my fellow Ugandans to join me to come and run in Ntungamo for inspiring Africa Coffee, a woman, so that we can bring them out of poverty.
President Museveni natekateka okutongoza ebirugire omwani okutandika kukoresebwa na n'okutwarwa mu mahanga gaheru ebiro 21 ebyokwezi kwa Kyabahenzi omwaka ogwo. Omugandi abebembezi ba district ya Ntungamo basibwiro twira RDC wa Ntungamo Mathias Ndufuna bwanyuma y'okusemya emyaka y'okuhumura emirimo ye ya Gavumenti. Ndufuna akatandika kukora nkadisi wa Ntungamo mu kwezi kwa Katambuga omwaka gw'2023 ari ku rugo muri district ya Kagadi kandi akazombegere byanasa mu kibi.
Koko bari omwanya nkogo gwa Ntungamo, it is very vital that the public relations of this district must be fast. Whatever you do or whatever we do, it is abused on the president and the first lady. When we quarrel about that there is corruption in Ntungamo, you immediately see an investigator here. And when an investigator comes, it does not go without getting some people either imprisoned or interdicted or all sorts of things.
But really, there is nothing.
Otakwenda kukora ekintu akakikora ombwire bwacu resigning kare atayi Ntungamo uko kurwanaga no kunkuruma za departments. Stop it today.
Fidelis Chiza no waziro mbegere bya Ndufuna nkadisi wa Ntungamo musya.
I am ready together with the technical team to promote and protect the name, the brand and image of Ntungamo district and Uganda as a whole.
Nkayen wachi bwejiriko ditwa setting gumize metandikiraho. Omushaija omwe akagira ngo muchagura ryenya yenkoko kusha kugati kukata hakabiri. Tokalira mu rwali bari kuterera rwali ngo tomutwe heiguru. Toka planning aje.
Abebembezi ba Ntungamo n'abanywani be bamusibwize ntitano z'enjungu na nembuzi. ahabwa TV West and Elias Rutuguse.